Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate ring lights using Alexa and routine triggers, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate your ring lights using Alexa and routine triggers, start by ensuring you have the Alexa app installed on your smartphone. Open the Alexa app and sign in with your Amazon account. Make sure your ring lights are properly set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Next, enable the Ring skill in the Alexa app. Tap on the More icon in the bottom right corner of the app. Select Skills and Games from the menu. Use the search bar at the top to find the Ring skill. Once you find it, tap on the skill and then tap Enable to use. You'll need to log in to your Ring account to link it with Alexa. After linking, return to the main screen of the Alexa app. To create a routine, tap on the More icon again. Select Routines from the menu. Tap the plus sign in the top right corner to create a new routine. Name your routine something easily recognizable. Tap on when this happens to set a trigger for your routine. Choose a trigger type, such as a voice command or a schedule. If you select a voice command, say how you want to activate your ring lights. Next, tap on Add Action to define what you want Alexa to do. Scroll down and choose Smart Home. Choose the action you want Alexa to perform, like turning the lights on or changing the brightness. Once you've added the action, review your routine settings to ensure everything is correct. Tap Save to finalize your routine. Now, test your routine by activating it through your chosen trigger. Watch your ring lights respond to the command and enjoy your hands-free lighting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.